Now I want to explain how to deal with another components of the building that are fascia, roof monitor, and lean-to. Okay. Now, having I want to keep it whether it is a clear span, multi-span, multi-gables, all are the same here, except the roof monitor will not be really applied for the multi-gable. But let's start with the RF. I want to apply a fascia of 1 meter by 1 meter. Roof monitor with the dimensions of 1, 2, 3, 1.5, and 1. I want to apply a lean-to at this height of 2.5, 3 meters, 2.3 meters, and 2.5. And this is 2 meters and 2 meters. Go to the generator files. Save it. Let's go to frame number 1, frame number 2, view structure. And we can see that GMatrix has automatically generated a clear span with 2 lean-tos, one at the left, one at the right side, with a fascia and a canopy. A roof monitor, including the applied loads on each component. Let's take a closer look. These are the sections. This is my structural model. It's pinned from here, pinned from there, the lean-to, the fascia, the roof monitor, the applied load for the dead load, the live load that should be applied on the building, wind loads application, wind left balanced and unbalanced, wind right balanced and unbalanced, wind end balanced and unbalanced. So by only pressing a button, our structure has been automatically generated and modeled by GMatrix, okay, for the 3 components, fascia, roof monitor, and lean-to, okay? And the other thing are standard. I can start automatically designed. Wind, bracing. Okay. My structure has been designed. If I want to take it to the 3D model, I can. Okay, duplicated member process. Okay, fine. Could not be converted into 3D in this case. So let's ignore this is optional. This is to be added to my bill of material. Drawings cannot be generated in this case at all. Bill of material always there. focus. My bill of material is complete. Also, the drawings has not been generated, but we always still have the bill of material. So in quotation stage, this is very fast, very fully automated and flexible also by the editing. We can also change our edit the way we want it to be. Okay, we can generate the cross section from here. We can see what we have. Okay, and my building has been automatically generated and designed, including lean-to, fascias, and roof monitor.